Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect headphone to our vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect guys headphone to your vivo phone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect headphone to our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect it. So we will click on phone setting. After that guys, you can see Bluetooth and device settings. So guys, tap here and guys click on the Bluetooth setting. So you can see guys, we have connected this boat Rollaker 410, and guys we want to forget. So guys, how to forget guys? Right side guys, you can see this icon. So guys, tap here. Guys, you can see there are two options: forget and disconnect. So you want to forget, so guys click on forget option, and guys you want to disconnect. So guys, I want to disconnect. Then disconnected guys, and guys I will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.